Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable price alerts for Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. As you can see, I've already installed the application and added my wallet. Now all I want to do is enable some price alerts. Well, it's quite easy. At the top left, you can see the settings icon right here. It's a gear-like button. Click on it right now. Once you do, lots of options will open up. Well, worry not. What you guys need to do is simply focus on the price alert. Click on it. And guys, this is it. What you guys need to do is simply toggle on this button right here that says price alerts. Once you do that, what you guys need to do is simply click on this plus icon right here and select the network for which you want to enable price alert. For now, let's simply say I want to enable price alert for this token right here, and as such, it will be added right here. That is it, guys. That's how we enable price alerts in Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.